Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Weebly. Whether you're refreshing your site's look or building a brand new page, adding the right background image can completely transform your website's visual appeal and create a more engaging experience for your visitors. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites and projects. Now, direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it, and underneath that option, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click Edit Site to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose which website you want to edit if you have multiple sites connected to your account. Select the one you'd like to work on. Once your site editor loads, look over to the right side of your screen. This is where you'll find the section controls and design options for your page. Now comes the important part. Click directly on the background area that you want to change or add an image to. This action will trigger a pop-up menu to appear on your screen. From that menu, click on Edit Background. This opens up the background customization panel where you can adjust colors, patterns, or images. Next, click on Replace. This option allows you to swap out the current background or upload a brand new one. Here you can either choose from Weebly's stock images or upload your own custom background image from your computer. Select the image you want to use and it will automatically apply to your page background. You can preview how it looks and make sure it aligns with your overall design vision. Once you're satisfied with your new background image, simply click the Save button located in the upper right corner of the screen. This finalizes your changes and updates your live website with the new background. And there you have it. You've successfully added a background image to your Weebly site, giving it a fresh, polished look that better represents your brand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.